The legendary Mercedes-Benz E-Class is back, and the 2025 model is here to redefine luxury, technology, and performance. With cutting-edge features, a refined design, and advanced electrification, this executive sedan is more impressive than ever. Stay tuned as we dive into everything you need to know about the all-new E-Class. At first glance, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class exudes sophistication and modernity. The signature front grille is now more pronounced, featuring a sleek LED-illuminated Mercedes emblem. The redesigned digital light headlights offer futuristic precision, adapting to road conditions for optimal visibility. From the side, the E-Class sports a refined, streamlined silhouette with a longer wheelbase for enhanced presence. And at the rear, the LED taillights feature an updated light signature, reinforcing its premium appeal. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an ultra-modern, tech-laden cabin that blends luxury with innovation. The new E-Class features Mercedes' cutting-edge MBUX Superscreen, a stunning digital interface that integrates the driver's display, central touchscreen, and an optional passenger display. The ambient lighting is now more immersive, synchronized with music and notifications, while premium leather upholstery and real wood trims elevate the luxurious feel. The seats. They're more ergonomic than ever, with massage, heating, and ventilation options for ultimate comfort. Under the hood, Mercedes offers a variety of powertrains, including mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The entry-level models come with a 2.0L turbocharged engine paired with a 48V mild hybrid system, delivering smooth acceleration and efficiency. For those craving more power, the AMG E53 and E63 variants are expected to feature a twin-turbo inline-6 or V8 hybrid setup, pushing performance to the next level. With 4 MATIC all-wheel drive and adaptive air suspension, the E-Class ensures a dynamic yet comfortable ride. Technology is at the core of the 2025 E-Class. Mercedes has integrated an advanced AI-powered voice assistant, allowing drivers to control functions with natural speech. Additionally, the latest Level 3 autonomous driving system makes highway cruising more effortless than ever. In terms of safety, the E-Class comes equipped with a state-of-the-art driver assistance suite, featuring active lane change assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced situational awareness. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is expected to hit dealerships worldwide in mid-2025. Pricing will start around $60,000 for the base model, while higher trims and AMG variants will command a premium. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues its legacy as the ultimate luxury sedan, blending style, technology, and power effortlessly. What are your thoughts on the new E-Class? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to Auto World for the latest car reviews, news, and exclusive content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.